Am I audible, Swati?
Yes, sir.
I hope all are back. Shall we continue? Any queries before I continue from and? This case is clear, I believe. So in this case, you can see that two cases are first and fourth student is failed and remaining all are pass. So shall we continue with or? I'll go with that. Okay. Now, there is another condition where again I have taken my own hypothetical example. If an employee coming from the state of GA or his basic is less than 50,000, okay, either he is from GA state or if anybody is having a salary less than 50,000, okay, he can be given some bonus. He can be given some bonus. Either he should be from,
Sir,
yeah, please.
Sir, we are still in that math, science, English sheet only.
Okay, it's not changing. Let me see.
It's not changed.
I'll share it once again. I'll share it once again. Now is it visible?
Now change. Now change.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So again, I'll go back. I have third possibility. One is we have seen if, one is with the and. Now we are going with the or. Either an employee from GA or if he is having basic salary less than 50,000, he can be given a bonus. So we wanted to help the people, either if they are from the GA state or they are from the less basic salary, we wanted to give them the bonus. If both are matching, great. But if either of the one matching, then I'm going to give you 50%, bonus. Okay, now how will you do this? How will you do this? So I will start with is equals to this of, okay, so it will be confusing otherwise, is equals to or if state is available in the D. If D2 is equals to GA or basic is less than or equals to 50,000. Look at it. First one, yes, C is from GA. Second one, true, because it is 44,000. Third one is also, look at it. Now look at these two cases. This fails. It is 80,000 and it is FL. So it fails. Next one is also failed. Okay. Now next one will take it. It is true because though he is not from GA, but his salary is less than 50,000. So he is eligible for bonus. Okay. So I'll just change it with the help of if now. If this or will remain in that, if this is coming true, then I give them a bonus. Else I'll not give them the bonus. Now you can go with this. Just read this. Be clear to you. Just try to understand. Please let me know if any queries are there so that I can take it. No queries? Can I go ahead? I'll go ahead with the next cases. Now, I cannot apply everything to anywhere. So I am going to take it different criteria. Okay, there are different database query handling functions are there. I'll just list them for you people first. Okay, so there are many database condition examples are there. I'll just, you can see them. Can you see them? I'll just write it for you people in the Excel only. I'll write it over here. Okay. D count, D sum, D mean. Okay, it is a D minimum, MIN. I'm sorry. D max, D average. I can get many things. Okay, so these all things are going to work on given condition. Okay, given condition, I can find it out. Okay, so I can give the criteria like this. Look at it. What all criteria you have given? So I wanted to find out the sum of salary of a given area. Okay, sum of salary of a given area. I can give it, say I given Atlanta, it has given me the total salary of it. Okay, I given Atlanta and because they are there here, they are there here. Okay, the locations are given here. Okay, so I've taken that. So accordingly, it is behaving for me. Okay, I'm going with year. I'm going with many conditions. I can give it. Many conditions I can give it over here. Okay, let us understand them. I'll create our own questions. Let us see how it can be taken. So normally we like to have D count, D sum, and D average. It will go to be predominantly people are using it. Let us see how it can be done. Okay, to do this, what you have to do is you need to have a conditions, okay, or criteria as we call it as. Okay, we'll create the criterias, then it will going to be fun. So I'll create a criteria over here. I'll just push it this time bit. Okay, I'll create the criteria like what I have done it. You can create criteria any moment of time. Okay, and beside that you have the results or formula, whatever you call it as. Okay, now I'm going to use dsum to start with. So what all criterias are there? So I'll take it from here. What all things are there? I need to know, okay, which is column heading over here, which is column heading over here. I want to find out the sum of basic salary. I'll go with that. Okay, I'll go with the basic salary. So I need to know these names over there. Okay, so I'll take it, say location. Okay, I'll take it a location over there in the sheet. It will be more clear to you once I complete this discussion. Okay, and probably I'll take, sorry, basic salary. Sorry, state, sorry, state, I'll take it. Okay, I'll try to do with only these two. Then we'll see what can be done further. Okay, now what is that I want? Okay, what is that I want? I want the total of, say, Atlanta. Okay, I'll just copy this here. Okay, and I wanted to have the total of total salary of that. So how will you do that? Is equals to we are looking at a D sum. You know what is sum? We are going with a D sum. Okay, to do the D sum, I need the database. Now, just a few minutes back, we discussed the area can be given a name. So I'll use that here. I'll go back and I'll give this whole lot of a database. I will give a name for it. Okay, so highlight this first. Highlight this first. Go to formula. Give a name for it. Okay, give a name for it. I'll say new and give it as say data one. I'll give it as a data one. Click on OK. So data one is available for me in the data manager. Okay, so data one, I'll use it in the sheet 2. So is equals to D sum into bracket. Database is data one. Look at it, it is available for me. Which field? Which field you wanted to give it? So I know that I want the salary of total. So what is that salary? Is here basic salary. I'll just click on that, comma, criteria. Okay, I'll give the criteria. Location is equals to Atlanta. Criteria, set it, and we are going to give the summation of it. Okay, first time it will going to be a bit difficult. First time it will going to be a bit difficult. Now I think we can work on that once again. Okay, now I'll repeat it. Is equals to D sum into bracket. I need to tell the database. I defined the database of that sheet as a data one. Okay. I want the summation of which field? Summation of salary. So I'll click on that salary, comma. Criteria I need to mention. So I'll mention this criteria over here. If I do this, it will going to give me the total salary of Atlanta. Total salary of Atlanta. Okay, just make a mention of this. Please make a note of this, how it works. Write it exactly below this. so that you can make a note of that. It will turns out to be very interesting for you people, only because many conditions are required many times, very specifically when you'll be out there in the corporate world. Okay, you like to have many criterias. You tell me the criterias, I'll do this particular formula and it will go to work for me. Now instead of Atlanta, I'll use some other state. I'll go to the database. Yeah, I'll copy this. I'll come back here. I'll paste it over here. Numbers are changing. You can see that. Okay. Now the question will come. How many times we are going to copy and paste? Can we do something else? Very well, I can give the list pop-up for you. So how will you give a pop-up here? So it's very simple. Go to data. Go for data validation. Go to data validation 2 times. Okay. So take a list. Give the source for it. Where is the source? It's here in the data. Choose whole lot of a data and click on OK. Now look at it. I have all the states over here. Whichever the state you want, you can take it. It's very simple. Atlanta, yes, you take it. You have a whole lot of a list. Peninsula, yes, it is available. Have you understood how to create the combo box? If it is not understood, please ask me. I'll repeat. I don't mind. Or if it is understood, I'll go ahead with that.
Yeah, this is called drop down, huh, sir?
Yes, this is drop down.
Manually also we can create, correct?
Yeah, 2-3 types are there.
Yeah.
2-3 types are there. This is the simplest one. If it is understood, I'll go ahead. If it is a repetition is required, I'll do that. Is the repetition required?
Sir, in between, I lost your voice, sir. I think it is a network issue from my end.
Okay.
So will you explain, please, this DSUM, sir?
I'll do that. I'll do
Yes,
that.
sir. Repeat.
I'll do that. I'll do that. Okay. Wonderful. Okay. DSUM works with 3 criterias. Okay. Just look at here. DSUM. It needs 3 criterias. One is I should tell the database. Okay. Database, I named the whole lot of a table, which is employee number, employee name, basic salary, everything is there. I given a name, you know that. Go to the formulas and give a name for it. I have done that. Okay. Then I should know summation of which field. I want the summation of the salary. Okay. So I given it as a basic salary. I'm going to give it. Okay. Criteria. I'm going to give a criteria here. Look at it. Location, which location I want. I'm doing that. Okay. So I'll write the formula for you here. Is equals to DSUM.
Sir, in between your voice is not coming, sir. I think it is for me or everyone, sir. I just want to confirm.
Yeah, others can comment. Is it because I have a full network here? I'm not finding any.
You are perfectly audible, sir. You are not
Yes, sir.
having any issues.
Okay. So 1 or 2.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. However, I'll share the recording. It will be again, if any miss again. Otherwise, I'm available as you can contact me anytime. Anybody for that matter. If you're not getting, shall I continue? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Is equals to DSUM. I wanted to do the database summation from the database called as a data1, comma. Field is, as I said, I wanted to do the salary summation. So I'll give the heading of it, basic salary. Then again go back and give the comma and give the criteria. Criteria I'm going to give this time the whatever you have specified, give that criteria, close the bracket and enter. It will going to give me. Okay, sorry, did I missed out? Yeah, comma, I have missed out. Comma, criteria. Sheet 1, G1. Okay, change the okay. I'll repeat it. Is equals to D sum data 1. Field is basic salary, comma. Then give the criteria here and press enter. Yes. Okay. Now change whichever the state. Accordingly, it will going to give me total salary of that particular state. Okay. Now, can I have multiple locations? Okay. So what I'm doing here is I'll just copy this. Okay. Keep two states here. No problem. Okay. And I'll just copy this whole lot of a formula again. Paste it here. Now you may ask, it will come same. No, it is not. Okay. Now, last part, criteria. Give, add this much. Now, if I say Atlanta or this plus this, look at it. It is added. It is added. Okay. I wanted two different states. I have taken it. These two states, it will going to give it to me. So I can add the locations. So accordingly, it will go to work. Multiple you can give it. Can I give vertical different fields? Yes, it is possible. Okay. I'll give say for example, year I can give it like how they are given it over here. I'll give that year. Sorry, copied something else. Okay, so I'll take the states from here. I'll give year 2015 for understanding. Again, I'll give D sum. D sum into bracket data 1, comma. Field is going again back and give the basic. You wanted to have bonus, you can go for bonus, not an issue. Okay, then give the criteria. I'll give this much criteria. Close the bracket. It is going to give me. You want to change it as 2016. Look at it. Is it changing? Yes, it is changing. I'll change the state here. The numbers are changing. You want to, instead of D sum, I'll take the number. How many cases are there? So I'll take it as a D count. It will go to such 4 cases are there. 2016 from this particular location, this year, 2015, no cases are there. 2011, okay, before 2000, less than 2015, less than 2015, how many cases are there? Nothing. Less than 2018, how many cases are there? 5 cases are there. Look at it. So because I changed the function as a D count, summation gives the total, count gives the number of counts, average, I can go for average, D average. It gives me on an average what is the salary up to 2018. Only 2018, how much? May not be there, may not be there. 2015 it will going to give me. No, less than 2019. Yeah, it gives. Okay, so because it need multiple, so it cannot work otherwise. So average is required multiple. Okay, so this is how exactly we can work on that. Okay, you should have where I can apply this, where I can apply this. You have a huge database. You want to have the different queries. I can work with it, the D count, D sum, D minimum, D maximum, D average. There are lots of cases are there which I can use it. Just look at the formula. Maybe you can ask me some queries on this. It's good one for you people. And use it somewhere. Looks good. Are you getting out with some pop-ups like can I use it somewhere sometime? I want state-wise sales. Okay, or in HR, branch-wise top performers. I can give that. Branch-wise top performers. Or in finance, month-on-month incrementals with respect to particular product. I can go with that. Which is that is hitting NPV or not, or depreciation, whatever it is. Okay, I can, you need to have that attitude where I can apply this. Then the things will be very, very interesting and I can use that. I can use it, which is that from the database, which is the minimum hit. Okay, which is the maximum sales. Okay, that which is doing, which product line is doing better. I have a different products. Which product line is doing better for me? Which product line is doing average for me? Okay, am I with average or not? Am I with average or not? Or am I below average with respect to my product? Can I go with those kind of discussions? Then this database functions will going to come into picture. Okay, previously we have done summation, no doubt in that. Sum is there. Okay, database summation, dsum will going to work with the given criteria and I can give multiple criteria. Okay, I can go with the multiple criteria. Okay, I just simply shown you with respect to location. Okay, I can go with the state, I can go with the year. There are multiple fields are here, you can see that. Okay, again, you choose a date. I can use state, I can use basic salary, I can use bonus, I can use department. Okay, all that can be brought in here for the discussion. Okay, then I can do that. What is that you wanted to dig out? So here they have tried it out. I mean, in fact, I was working on the other day and this is what exactly, there are many criteria we have set it. Not from department, look at it, how they are doing it, R&D. Leaving R&D department, can I have it? Not from, okay. So leaving R&D department, from Atlanta, what is average salary? Can I find it out? So not equals to given is less than or equals to, together if you give it, it will work as not belongs to. Okay, so I can use this formula for average finding, summation finding. Okay, then counting the number of people out there in the department or number of products are sold in the department. All that can be brought in with the help of dsum, d count, d min. All are going the same line. You can look at it. Is equals to d count. Three variables, everywhere 3 variables. If I go with the d min, same thing. 3 variables. You need to tell me the database from where you wanted to do, on what field you wanted to find out the minimum of it, and what is your criteria you wanted to set it. Set the criteria, simply write name of the field. Below that, you tell what is that you wanted to do for. Okay, I'll find out with respect to, I'll take one more criteria here before we close this discussion. Okay, I'll write the criteria, say for example, copy from here. Okay, I'll take it the bonus. I'll come here and I write it, paste it. Okay, bonus less than or equals to 1000. Okay, I want to find out how many are there. Is equals to D count. Database, we know data 1, comma, which field you wanted to go for. I wanted to have a count of employees. Okay, so I'll take it like this, comma, come back here and give the criteria. Nobody is there. Okay, greater than 1000. Did I given proper data? Yep. Okay, we'll change.
Sir, in criteria, you are selecting only the column name or entire column?
Criteria, I'm giving both. I'll show you once again. Criteria.
Not criteria, sir. Second, that you selected from the employee data, na?
Huh. I'm giving only the field name. I'll just show you that once again.
Okay.
Is equals to D count. Okay, data 1, comma, field. I'm going here. I'm giving only that field. Look at it. I'm giving only field name. I'm not giving anything. Okay, only title of the column heading. That's it. Comma. Then come over here. Sorry. And give the criteria. Press enter. Greater than 300. It's not working. Why? Is it counter I have to go for? Yeah. Yes. Remember one thing, whenever we are going to work on the alphanumerics, I should go with the count A. Otherwise, things will not work. Okay. So remember this, it is count or D count A. Okay, so you should work on that. Count will not work, so I'll give it as greater than, less than 1000. How many are there? Nobody. Okay, greater than 1500, 135. Greater than 4000, if anybody are there. Yeah, 95 people have taken the bonus, more than 95. Now, can I have location along with that? Now, let us see that. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just change the criteria, only criteria. I'll give this much. Now look at changing. From Atlanta, greater than 4000 is 30. From another state, it's only 12. I'll change it to another state, 14. Look at it. Now the data I can access. 16. Change of location, change of bonus. Output is different. Output is different. So probably Shrikant might be coming out with a lot of questions, I believe. Within your state, within your district, within your zones, you wanted to pull something, you can very well put that. Probably you have a lot of data with you, you can very well pull it out. You can go with average, you can go with the
Yes, sir.
summation, you can do, I think. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any other queries? Is it clear? Yeah, if at all you missed out, I have done this data, whole lot of data, I called it as, okay, as data one. This much I highlighted, I gone to formula and I named it here as a data one. I named it here as a data one. That I have used it in the sheet one here everywhere. Okay, so you set the criteria. Remember that while you are setting the criteria, you should have the same name what is you are given it in the database. Okay, once you are done that, then you can give whatever you want to give the condition, you can very well give the condition. Okay, now I'll quickly add one more condition to this, then we'll probably we can see how it can be done. Okay, I'll write this bonus once again. So what I'll be doing is greater than 2000 and less than 3000. Okay, now what I'll give criteria here, I'll change the criteria only. I'll give this much. Look at it. 2000, 3000. From this location, only two are there. We'll go to change Atlanta. Only two are there. Panama, only one are there. Now I'll change the criteria to greater than 1000. No changes. Greater than 0. No changes. That means only one is there. Okay, I'll change it to Atlanta. 3. Look at it, how it changes. Here I'll remove everything. Only I'll give greater than 4000. Still it works. Still it works. So I can give conditions that I can play around it. I can play around it. Okay. So this is how exactly it helps us. It allows us to the flexibility, like you can simply write it as English and it will going to give me the output as and when I want it. As an only thing that I should know what I wanted to get out of it, what I wanted to get out of it. So I hope database functions are clear to you people, and this can be used it in a big way. You can use wherever you want. You can go with that. Okay, only thing that you need to have a application mind and you can use it. So D sum, D minimum, D maximum, D average. There are many are there. These are the popular one which I chose for discussion. I'll go to the next one, which is very important. Though it is a bit difficult, I can get it out from you people. Okay, I'm going with one more function called as a match. Okay, so I wanted to find out how it will going to work and where all I can use it. I'll simply show you. First of all, I want to find out match will work like this. Okay, look at the formula. Match will look for particular product or particular value from a given array, and how exactly we can find it out. Okay, so I have a position is given there. Okay, I have a array is there over here, set of departments are there. So where is this sales is situated? I want to find out the position. Okay, where is sales is there in this particular set of departments. I want to find out where the finance is written. I want to find out where is accounting is written. Okay, so that we are going to find it out, the position part of it. Okay, so how will you do that? How will you do that? First of all, give the name for this. Everywhere I'm going to use the name. Okay, go to formula, set the name. Okay, new one. Call it as the departments, DEPT. Okay, and choose the area. Yes, I want to call this as a department, DEPT. Yeah, we have set it. close it. Now I'll use it. Okay. So I want to find out where the sales is positioned. Okay. Or I'll cite it as I write my department IT. Where is IT is situated? So how will you go for match? Okay. I'm looking for IT department in the array DEPT. In the array DEPT, and I wanted exact match. Exact match if I can give, yes, it gives me sixth position. You can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. If I write it as sales, it gives me ninth position. Now look at the formula. It's very simple formula. It's very, very simple formula. Look at it. What I have done that? I'm going to give G5. G5 is sales. Okay. Sales in the department list, that is an array. I want exactly where it is matchingly available to me. This we are going to use it in the another formula, no doubt in that. So I want to find out where is the position of this is. Okay. I'll change it again. Okay. So if I write IT, gives me sixth position. If I write marketing, gives me seventh position. If I write finance, okay, I written a small spelling mistake, so it will go not going to give me. Written is fourth position. You can see that. Okay, so here it is.